Multiple choice question on supercomputer. First question. A tightly coupled cluster supercomputer consists of A. A smartphone with advanced processing power. B. A single computer with a large memory. C. A single processing unit. Option D. Multiple interconnected nodes working as one system. Which one is correct answer? A tightly coupled cluster supercomputer consists of multiple interconnected nodes working as one system. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. Which component is responsible for the main processing power in a supercomputer? Option A, RAM. Option B, CPU and GPU. Option C, hard drive. Option D, cooling fan. Which one is correct answer? The component which is responsible for the main processing power in a supercomputer is CPU and GPU. The option B is the correct answer. Next question. Supercomputers use which type of operating system? Option A, Linux based operating system. Option B, Windows 10. Option C, Mac OS. Option D, Android OS. Which one is correct answer? Supercomputer use which type of operating system? The operating system is Linux based OS. Supercomputers use this sort of OS. So option A is the correct answer, Linux based operating system. Question 194. Why do supercomputers need high speed interconnects? Option A, to enhance internet speed. Option B, to transfer data quickly between processing units. Option C, to support gaming applications. Option D, to reduce electricity consumption. Which is the correct answer? Why do supercomputers need high-speed interconnects? Option B is the correct answer. Supercomputer needs high-speed interconnects to transfer data quickly between processing units. So option B is the correct answer. Next multiple choice question. Which of the following is currently one of the fastest supercomputers? Option A, Fugaku. Option B, IBM Watson. Option C, Dell XPs. Option D, MacBook Pro. Which one is correct answer? Which of the following is currently one of the fastest supercomputers? Fugaku is the fastest supercomputers currently. So option A is the correct answer. Next question. The Summit supercomputer was developed by which company? Option A, Google. Option B, Microsoft. Option C, Apple. Option D, IBM. The Summit supercomputer was developed by IBM. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. Supercomputers are widely used for playing high-end video games, web browsing, or video editing, or scientific simulations and research. Supercomputers are widely used for what? The correct option is scientific simulations and research. Supercomputers are widely used for scientific simulations and research. Next question. In which field supercomputers are used for predicting extreme weather conditions? Option A, cryptography. Option B, financial modeling. Option C, weather forecasting. Option D, medical research. Which one is the correct option? In which field supercomputers are used for predicting extreme weather conditions? The correct option is weather forecasting. Weather forecasting is the field in which supercomputers are used for predicting extreme weather conditions. Next question. Which industry uses supercomputers to analyze seismic data for resource discovery? A, aerospace. B, oil and gas exploration. C, social media analytics. D, banking. Which option is the correct answer? We have to find out the industry which uses supercomputers to analyze seismic data for resource discovery. The correct answer is B. Oil and gas exploration industry uses supercomputers to analyze seismic data for resource discovery. Next and last question of this episode. Supercomputers play a significant role in artificial intelligence by option A, processing large data sets and training deep learning models. Option B, creating memes and animators. Option C, managing social media accounts. Option D, playing video games at high resolution. Which one is the correct answer? Supercomputers play a significant role in artificial intelligence by processing large data sets and training deep learning models. That's the end of this episode. Thank you very much.